Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smart buying decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison between two top-notch robot vacuums, the Roborock Q7 Max and the Roborock Q Revo. Both of these vacuums come with advanced features and powerful cleaning capabilities. This comparison is based on online reviews and feature comparisons, so let's dive into the details and find out which one is the best fit for you. Let's start with the price. The Roborock Q7 Max comes with a price tag of $599, while the Roborock Q Revo is priced at $899. It's clear that the Q7 Max is more budget-friendly, making it a great option for those looking for a high-quality vacuum without breaking the bank. When it comes to cleaning power, both vacuums offer impressive features. The Roborock Q7 Max boasts a powerful 4,200 pascals suction, which easily lifts debris and pet hair from floors, cracks, and carpets. On the other hand, the Roborock Q Revo offers 5,500 pascals extreme suction, ensuring a thorough cleaning experience on hardwood floors, tiles, and carpets. It's a tough call, but the Q Revo takes the lead in terms of suction power. Now let's talk about vacuuming and mopping capabilities. The Roborock Q7 Max allows you to vacuum and mop simultaneously. With its 30 water flow levels, you can easily adjust the cleaning intensity to match your floor types and preferences. The Q Revo, on the other hand, offers a multifunctional dock with auto mop washing and hot air drying. Its 5L water tank ensures a maximum mopping range of 4,305 SQFT. Both vacuums excel in this category, but the Q Revo's additional features give it an edge. Navigation and mapping play a crucial role in efficient cleaning. The Roborock Q7 Max features PreciSense LiDAR navigation, which creates precise 3D maps of your home and monitors cleaning routes efficiently. You can virtually recreate your home by adding furnishings and flooring materials. Similarly, the Q Revo also offers PreciSense LiDAR navigation with 3D mapping technology, allowing for accurate and customized cleaning. It's a tie in this category as both vacuums provide advanced navigation capabilities. Battery life is an essential factor to consider in a robot vacuum. The Roborock Q7 Max can run for up to 180 minutes on a single charge, thanks to its specially designed battery. It offers a maximum vacuuming area of 3,229 SQFT. The Roborock Q Revo, on the other hand, doesn't specify its exact battery life, but it offers self-emptying functionality, providing hands-free cleaning for up to 7 weeks. While the Q7 Max offers longer cleaning time, the Q Revo's self-emptying feature gives it an advantage for those seeking convenience. Based on online reviews, the Roborock Q7 Max has been praised for its affordability and efficient cleaning power. Reviewers mention that it works well on various floor types and is recommended by users. On the other hand, the Roborock Q Revo is praised for its premium features, advanced navigation, and self-emptying functionality. While there have been some concerns about its build quality and mopping function, it is still considered better than other robot vacuums on the market. And there you have it, a detailed comparison between the Roborock Q7 Max and the Roborock Q Revo. The Q7 Max stands out with its budget-friendly price and impressive cleaning power. On the other hand, the Q Revo offers additional features like auto mop washing, hot air drying, and self-emptying functionality. Ultimately, the choice depends on your specific needs and preferences. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons and smart buying tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Buy Smart.